In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your exterior door handle on your Ford Focus. It's located on the driver's side door. Remove this little cap using a flathead screwdriver. Now we're going to take this little cap off. You can do that by using a trim tool. Using a T20 screwdriver, you're going to take out this bolt. Once you've unscrewed it completely, you'll know because it won't go anymore. This will come out. Set that aside. Now you're going to pull this way and pull it out. Now you're going to remove your gasket for both. Make sure you clean up your area before installing your new gasket. To install, there's little hooks here, 3 of them. Make sure you install it so that goes in the lip where it belongs. Let's start on this end. Push those under. Do the same on this side. Put the little hooks in. Make sure it's seated properly. Now we're going to slide our door handle in on the side. And then push it in on this side, and then slide towards the engine. And I'll lock it in place. Now we're going to slide our cylinder in and tighten up our Torx bit bolt. Make sure it's snug. Now you can put your cap on. Just presses on. Now let's make sure the door opens and closes. It's a beautiful thing. Now that we know that the door handle works, we're going to put our cap on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.